What's up guys, I'm Brittany with Instruqt and I'm back with another product updates video. Let's get started.
First up, we're excited to announce native Windows support for our sandboxes. This release allows you to create PowerShell-based lifecycle scripts that run directly on the Windows VM. Now you can integrate better with the Windows ecosystem and set up and check sandbox environments with ease. Terminal tabs now also support Windows hosts. Now you can give your users access to an interactive PowerShell session on their Windows VMs. We've also updated our built-in file editor to support Windows-based file systems. The editor gives your users an easy way to view and edit text-based files like log or configuration files. Next up, we're constantly working to offer new and better resources that enable you to use Instruqt to the fullest. So we're thrilled to introduce our Inspiration Library. Here you can find example tracks, ready-to-use templates, and tutorials. Head on over to start exploring the content. We've also restructured our documentation to make learning Instruqt easier than ever. Head to the documentation page for step-by-step instructions and links to video tutorials. We've got more updates headed your way soon, so make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on all of the exciting Instruqt news.